Hey guys, we got ourselves a 50-mile-per-hour windstorm going on right now, and it's coming out of the west. This old camper's out here shaking. Now this is the camper, and I know a lot of people don't want me to cut this camper up. I'm actually not cutting the camper up. I'm actually just kind of adding to it, making it a better camper for my needs. Otherwise they would have disposed of it, literally. It was an estate disposal. This would have went in the dumpster because it had no paperwork. All right, so out here right now in the shop, my youngster is out here working right now, and he's been out here welding for the last day and a half, working on the trailer. So let's get in there and I'll show you this trailer here. This is that trailer. This is that trailer that we had taken apart, and you've seen this is 1968 frame, and we're beefing it up. We've got the shocks already started getting all put in on it, and as it sits right now, there's one there. We got another one going in over here. We're working on right now getting it framed out so that the 2x6s back here that are on the rear of the trailer can be laid out like a deck. So it's going to be about an almost 8-foot wide deck that is going to be installed over here, and we're going to have all of it in 2x6s with probably some 2x4s that are treated and painted in between. And right now he's over here trying to finish up all the metal. Blocked that with my phone. He's trying to finish up all the metal and get it completely put in with outriggers, and we're using the original outriggers like right here that are on it to support it up right now. And where it don't have outriggers, we're adding a kicker for an outrigger, but it's 2 pieces of 1.5 inch metal, and it's sitting over here with spaced, so you'll see here it's spaced, and while Daniel Bland's been welding, you'll see it over here in the space that it's wide enough for a 2x4 to go in. And you know, he's not a bad welder for an 11-year-old kid. He does a pretty good job, but it's his project. He wants to build it. The trailer is going to be called the King 4, and he's even got him a set of fenders covers that have a big K on them from a Comfort travel trailer, and it's going to look nice. But the camper will be finished, and we will knock this whole thing out and try to use all the original identical materials. You'll never really know that this thing had started its life the way it did. So, all right, just want to give you guys an update. I know people are a little worried about what I'm going to do to this thing and what I'm going to do to that camper out there, but as it sits right now, he's going to go ahead and get his welding finished, and all of his stuff that he's got right now that he's doing is using 1/8 inch and 3/16 metal to frame this all in. So, and we're going to put some pieces underneath, because if you notice how this is built, we don't want the frame doing any of that stuff. You know, we're going to also support it that way because it don't have a big house thing on it anymore. All right, y'all be good. Daniel's back to work, and I am going back to the house for some pizza. Later.